I'm Ananda Rajeshwaran. I'm the co-founder of Suzhiyam Industrial Machines Private Limited. We are working in the clean manufacturing sector where we replace fossil fuel with sustainable green fuel alternatives. We were part of the TANSIM 4.0 cohort, and we were one of the finalists to get a grant of around 10 lakhs for filing our patents. And so this bootcamp, we came to know about Forge's bootcamp through TANSIM, and we were asked to be a part of this bootcamp. We being in this industry for 4 to 5 years, we never had much expectation from this bootcamp. But as soon as I came in and I got access to the material that was shared, I changed my thing. Like I have little bit more to learn. So as you say, like in Tamil, கற்றது கையளவு கல்லாதது உலகளவு. I would say that like it was a very structured curriculum. We were able to unearth a lot of things that after using that methodology, okay, we knew all that in our head, but we couldn't put a term to it, or we couldn't put a number to that. This curriculum, like it was actually surprising. Certain places where we thought we have already done, we were actually falling short. And certain places we thought like we are yet to reach, we have already reached. The worksheet that we have, to be honest, I have worked on it only for an hour, and like I have already scheduled time for next week for my entire team to sit with us. We are going to have a closed room for, we have planned 2 days closed room, and if it even exceeds, we are going to fine with it. So that's the value that we have got from here. And like in the gaps that I got, like I was able to trouble all the people from Forge, and they were actually very cooperative in helping us out. They actually put up with all the nonsense that I was troubling them. So we have got a few good leads and some structure to whatever we were doing. So the 3 days was quite I would say like it was well spent. Day 2 of the session, like we had like what is the value proposition that you do. So it was around around an hour session where we realized that we have been completely giving the value wrong. We were, I was obsessed with product. I am a product manager. I have developed that. It's my baby. So I was obsessed with pushing the product to the client. But actually the value has not been given, value has not been, okay, it's my mistake that I have not justified the value of the product to the client. We thought like reaching out to those customers at this point is going to be a mistake or something like that. But now like since like I'm getting that support from Forge, and like my confidence, earlier it was me and my company and my team that was trying to reach to that spot. But now since I have some support with a little bit validation, we are going to touch those milestones immediately. So that is the confidence that we have gained because of this bootcamp. Go Forge.